Hey, a quick spot here today. I'm here with Bluegill Chuck. I've actually got one of his ice fishing rods. He does a great job. He guarantees them. I actually broke one. I brought in, he fixed it. So he builds custom rods for fishing, for ice fishing, mostly ice fishing.
I do a lot of summer rods. I do fly rods.
Fly rods, crappie rods, and
everything.
he builds custom baits and stuff. But you really got to visit this guy. He's a local legend. He is located right by the boat ramp, right by Gills on the Chain in Chain Lake State Park. You can reach Bluegill Chuck at 847-815-3244 or email bluegillchuck@gmail.com.
The best way is to text me, then I know that if I get a lot of
he says
telemarketers.
He says give him a text because he's busy building custom rods. You could pick up one of his custom rods at Triangle Bait Store out at the corner of Grayslake Road and 83. Also at Lilybug Acres right on the Chain.